tanan? Ayan. Sabi na ko pala nakastacks. Okay, so my topic is about justice for every woman and child. Strengthening legal responses through evidence and policy. Daw na akong topic. Kuan kaya, no? At any rate, again, malipayon kahit kung dako kay nakabalik ko iligan, no? If only na-invitation, di ba? Makabalik ko iligan. By the way, last year na, masad ko dire, right? But that time, in my capacity as a public prosecutor, no? This time, in my capacity as one of the beacons, no, of justice as a presiding judge for na. So, at any rate, silingan naman ta from Lanao across Tanggub, di ba, na Panguil Bay Bridge. Dito na rin ang miso. Taga dito na ko. But then again, ang kasing-kasing nagyapon sa Iligan. Kung na-invitation, mubalik gyapon o Iligan. Next slide, please. By the way, Moni siya ako, gi-introduce naman ko ganina, muna nga akong, ingon sila daw, kaya basta ko mag-prepare, gano'n kag-glam photo. Okay, so, again, ang introduction is summarized, no? I'm now a presiding judge in Oroquieta City. I was a former prosecutor in the office of the city prosecutor in Iligan City, a handling family court prosecutor, a member of the Regional Anti-Trafficking Task Force, an alumna of the International Law Enforcement Academy, and also the International Visitor Leadership Program of the U.S. Department of State. And last year, was it last year? Last year, I was awarded a recipient of International Leadership Visitor Leadership Program Impact Award. So we conducted 2-day training sa mga barangay officials, no, all over Iligan, 44 barangays, no, together with the law enforcers, the barangay captain, and mga youth leaders. I am also a recipient of Interagency Council Against Trafficking, no, of awards for having several convictions in human trafficking and in online sexual abuse or exploitation of children, among others. So that's me. Hopefully, pero kailan naman yun ako, di ba? Yes. Okay, next slide, please. I would like to start by giving you this statement, no? Next. Okay. Violence against women and children is preventable. Pwede yun, nato ma-prevent ang violence against women and children. They say na, dili man kita mapugan hinaman jud na. But then again, pwede kita to mapugan kung ato yung buhatan. Next. Okay, justice must be accessible, swift, and survivor-centered. Okay. So, sa'yo pagpasabutan na dapat accessible. Dapat kita tanan na access sa hustisya. Dapat paspas. Because they say justice delayed is justice denied. Mo yun mo? And most of all, it should be survivor-centered. Why survivor-centered? Kaya ano, tanan investigation is what? Kinsa ahaman siya centered. Centered sa what? Sa filing of case. But then again, mo bagid na ang tumong og tinguha sa atong mga survivors. Dahil times ng survivors, they would find justice not by filing cases, right? Dahil ba nila na, we must respect those choices sa mga survivor victims. But at any rate, we can advocate. No? We can try to encourage. We can try to empower victims. But at the end of the day, it should be the decision of these survivor victims on how to go about their case. Okay? And what else? Next slide. So, my focus for today's discussion is evidence, policy, and coordinated action. Because if we do it in silos, we do it one, okay? One from the other, no? Not together. We can only do so much. Mura ba og sinhig na ting-ting ba? Kung gamitin na may isa duwa tulo, pila rin tayo kalos no, or pila rin masinhig. But then again, kung nakabugkos na siya, mas daghan ang makuha. So, kung kita po, kung ang atong actions, ang atong efforts are coordinated, meaning to say, walay gabalik-balik na action, but then again, self-centered towards what? Gearing towards the survivor, on how the survivor would want their case to be. Okay? So, next slide, please. So, why does this matter? Why is justice among survivor victims? Why would this matter to them? What do you think? Nga naman, yan ang mag-matter man eh. Nga nang kinahanglan na itong isgutan karon. Okay sa man?
It's the reality.
Yes, it's a reality. Okay? Reality na that it has been happening. No? Nagpapakita mo gid siya. Hindi ka na itong malimod. Nakagid siya sa imong silingan, sa imong pamilya. We don't know. Sa atong friends, right? Next slide, please. This matters because, as Ma'am said, this is a reality. There exists what? Persistence or prevalence of violence against women and children. Naagyod siya, daghan pag yun. Diba? Sa inyong barangay, maghilak ang bulan, wala no? Naagyod, right? Mga bausi, manindiring mga orange and blue. Diba? Maghilak ang si Mana Gayo sa right? Kung wala kayo magreklamo, kailangan kayo mabiktimaan eh. What else? Why does this matter? Next slide. Deep impact on families, communities, and national development. Does it? Does it have an impact on our community? Kung naay prevalence, kung naay daghan na mga instances or kaso sa Bausi, napay impact sa atong community. Napay impact sa atong pamilya. Definitely, right? Because at times, it may even cause what? Separation within the family. Because it is inevitable na naaging separation, labi na kung ang violence is very, what? Violent na yun. Physical na yun ang violence, right? So inevitable, or dapat yun na i-separate ang mga victim survivors sa ilahang abusers, right? So natin siya impact. What about in our national development? As a country, as a city, ang isa ba ka-developed city, ang isa ka ba ka-developed country, how do we measure them? Unsa na ito pag-ingon na ang isa ka country, ang isa ka city, kay develop siya? Kung unsaon nila pag-take action on this kind of abuses. But I'm very proud to say it because I remember before of the LCPC, the Local Council for the Protection of Children, na what? Ang Iligan City is what? Is an example of makusganon na action against sa mga abuses or sa pagproteksyon sa mga bata. And we have, in Iligan City, I'm very proud to say na recipient of acknowledgements and recognition, and in fact, for the past 2 years, I think, no? Was it? 2 years, na naanay child-friendly seal ang Iligan City sa atong DILG. Before pagod, dili kita child-friendly. Meaning to say, ang institutions and government, LGUs, barangays, no? To other national agencies and the LGUs in Iligan, dili, wala siya kanang child-friendly na seal, okay? Kay dili anak kahimpit ang atong pag-protect sa mga bata. Wala kay programs para sa mga bata. But then again, karon ta, in fact, tayo multidisciplinary team. Kasi ba't gusto mo multidisciplinary? Meaning to say, kanang sectors, na legal, na prosecutors, no? Na public attorney, na health. For example, if the child would need doctor, na kay City Health, na kay GT-LMH. Kung naapod tayo mga mental health concern, naapod tayo partner with MSUIIT, na si Dr. Alma Miranda. And others. For example, educational concerns, naapod. Right? Okay, because our social workers has this linkage or connection with several government agencies depende sa panginanglanon sa bata. For example, trafficking and assault cases, di ba? Recognize na mag-iligan, daghan kayo kaso inanada. But then again, maski daghan nagkaso, daghan pug nabuhat ang iligan. Daghang mga tawo na nadakpan, o daghan pong bata na na-rescue.
and daghang bata na nataggaan og insakto na serbisyo. At present natay 2 ka-college students, college no, nagipa-eskwela, and then gitabangan na maka-eskwela, and they are what? Now in school, in private school. Imagine, private school, wala itaw sila ganyan, ay pag-eskwela nila gaya, hindi mag-education ka. Ano mo na mo? Labi nagbibigyan na magpa-eskwela kay na tuition, may siya na, ay, ito nag-IT kay libre, education, dayon, teacher dayon ba? Okay, dili man sa dili taganahan na mag-teacher ang bata, kaya that's a noble profession, but then again, we want to respect kung unsa ang kinabuhi na gusto sa bata. Kaya kita na mga ginikanan, ninanaman pag pag-doktor na, di ba? Pag-lawyer na. Nangutana ka kasi mo anak, kung unsa'y gusto sa imo ang anak, unsa ang skill, unsa ang iyang gusto mahitabo sa iyang kinabuhi, we can only advocate. Mean to say, we can only encourage them, we can only empower them, but we cannot contain them sa atong mga dreams na wala na tuman. Di ba, naman ka, na gusto kita mag-doktor. Iyan, di ba, magiging ka na doktor, na lawyer, magiging ka, imog yung anak niya may pa-doktor, ba? Okay. Good if gusto nila, pero dili nila gusto, we should not, no? Kaya nga no, may naday na sila pag mag-college, mapaghuman, mag-change of course, may nagigig na nitagtakan na, hindi mo ako gusto na kurso. Di ba? Maana rin sila, o galangan-langan sa panahon. But what I'm trying to say is, we advocated for the education of these children, na sila sa 2 private schools in Iligan City, and now, ang isa is graduating, hopefully, and ang isa is second year college na. Okay, graduating college. So, ana ang Iligan City na multidisciplinary team na mag-provide ng services. Okay, what else? Why does this matter? Legal frameworks exist. Naay balaod. Diba? Naay protection unit na ang PNP. Problem is, na-implement pa. Diba mo may question? Naay justice. Naay balaod. Pero natagaan mag-justice. So problem is implementation. Naay gaps in that implementation. Next slide. Justice is uneven. Sakto? Mayon sila kung dato. Walay justisya. Kaya no, kung pobre ka, di ka kapiyansa. Pero dato ka, makapiyansa. Makagawas dayon. Sakto, dili? Diba? Oh. Then pagkahuman, kung naay doon sa dughan sa mga political powers, naay support. Sakto, dili? Oh. So naay unevenness. Napoy mga inaccessible for too many. Katong mga taga-bukid. Or hinterland. Kasi taga-hinterland yan. O katong mga taga-hinterland. Pag unay kaso sa inyo, napoy mabot dayon na mga police assistance. At least na karoy Station 6, no, Ma'am Michelle? Nanay Station 6, ipadool na ang police station sa hinterland barangay. Sa una, ang tawid mong Dalipugan, right? Karon ipadool na sa Digkilaan. Bada na kinaagi hapon, dili gihapon maka-access, labi na atong sa layo-layo, na magpilay-pilay 600. Diba? Kimutuyok man. Diba na may nanano, namutuyok pa mo, ang ipagkagayan before makaagtog syudad. So, inana ang reality. So, this matters because naani, and that is what we will be talking about here.